Hello champions! Welcome to another interesting lesson with Mr. Olio. I hope last lesson was interesting and you learned a lot. In this lesson, we'll be treating compounds, chemical compound. Now, if you ask you what is the word compound? Compound is a combination of molecules, elements, and atoms to form a chemical compound. The combination of these various words, elements, molecules, and atoms coming together, you have a compound, which we are going to see some examples, some combination of molecules, some combination of elements, and some combination of atoms coming together to form what? A chemical compound with their symbol. So, examples of compounds are, so get ready, we're going to see some examples. One, you have what is known water, which is the chemical symbol is H2O, as you can see, H2O. So this is the first example. The second example of a compound is sodium chloride. So what? Sodium chloride, which is written NaCl. Now, next example is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the air we breathe out as humans. The next example is what? Hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride is also an example of compound. The next example, we have hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide, the chemical symbol is H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide. So kids, these are some few examples of compound known to man. The next video clip you'll be viewing tells you more about compound and how they function. Enjoy and learn.
What is a chemical compound? Let us learn what a chemical compound really is. Click on the titles listed here. Atoms, molecules, elements, and compounds. When two or more elements bond together chemically, they form a new substance with its own properties. This combination of elements is called a compound. Water is a compound made of hydrogen and oxygen. Carbon dioxide, which is what you release when you exhale, is a compound made of carbon and oxygen. Most substances around you are compounds or mixtures of compounds. All compounds are made up of molecules. A molecule is the smallest part of the compound that has all the properties of that compound. For example, a molecule of water is made up of 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Let's compare compounds and mixtures. Combining elements to form a compound is different from just mixing elements together. In a mixture of iron filings and sulfur, for example, each element holds on to its original properties. You can separate the mixture easily by dragging a magnet through it, attracting all the iron filings. But if you heat the mixture, a chemical reaction takes place that bonds the elements together. Not only does the new compound look different, but it also has no magnetic properties. Thus, compounds do not possess the properties of the elements which they are composed of.
Oh, super kids! That was an interesting video clip, right? Telling you more about compound and how some elements, some atoms comes together to form a chemical compound. I know it has been an interesting lesson, and now you know all about the compound in chemistry. So super kids, always remember to study your books, read hard because hard work pays. See you guys in the next lesson. Bye bye.